Hello friends, now I will going to show how to download videos from YouTube. First of all, web browser Mozilla Firefox, access YouTube. Then you can see don't have any download option here. Now I will show how to add add-ons and you can download any video from YouTube. Then go to add-ons, then click extension and write down YouTube downloader, then enter. Then you can see more than add-ons here. You select one, then click add-on, then click add. Now downloading the add-on. Then you can see here downloading. Now download complete. Go to your which one you want to download. Then here download option show. Then which version you want to download, MP4. Then click here. Then downloading file. Here you can see and download video. Then again download. Then downloading here. You can see download complete. Then you can see your offline video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. If you like this video, share and comment. Press the bell icon.